Hi, I'm Susie and welcome to The Container. We decided quite early on to become Airbnb hosts because we had this amazing property and we thought we can share this and the impact on our community will be really positive. I think the most important things for hosts is to be authentic. We love the idea that you get to actually live like we do. We love abundance, so you get plenty of beautiful flowers, you get eggs from the chooks, you get local bread, olive oil. So yeah, give your guests the experience that's authentically you. We created the container. It has been purpose-built for short stay accommodation. We've always been great collectors of old things to recycle, upcycle. And our philosophy was it doesn't have to be big. It doesn't have to be new. And what we love about this place is it's old, it's recycled, it's new, and it's a blend. This sums up our philosophy that you can make do, you can live with less.